Hello MoxieLash fam, Bianca here. I am back. I'm very excited because today I will be creating this look using one of our new color magnetic gel liners, bump shades, incredible formula. So before getting to the look, I'm going to show you a little bit more of the liners. Our color gel magnetic liners come in 4 shades: a beautiful deep burgundy, blue, purple, and this beautiful dark green gray called peacock. These are intensely pigmented, waterproof, smudge proof, and all that good stuff. Now let's get into the tutorial. Right, so for this look, I already primed my eyes. I used a little bit of concealer and then I went over with some translucent powder to set everything in place. That's gonna help us to keep the liner lasting throughout the day. Now, because I wanna add a little bit of definition all over the eyes, I'm gonna take a little bit of my bronzer, any fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply that all over the eyes up to the crease. And I'm also gonna be drawing the color towards the bottom lash line. Alright, so up next I'm going to take my burgundy magnetic liner and I'm going to do a wing liner. Of course, you can do a straight line, but today I want to do a really simple small wing and I'm going to use my MoxieLash brush to do so. Now, something that I want to mention before doing my liner is that I recommend you to take a little bit of the product with the brush, put it in the back of your hand, and then immediately close the liner just to prevent the liner from getting dry. This is going to happen with every single gel liner. If you leave the liner open for a long period of time, it's just going to get dry. So that's what I recommend whenever you're going to use any gel liner. Today I'm just going to go ahead and do a wing just using the angle brush. Lightly do a flick. Then I'm just going to take that wing towards the center. Look how pigmented this is, you guys. And as you guys know, you don't have to do a wing liner. You can just do a simple line and be happy. Can you guys appreciate how beautiful this liner is? I just can't deal with this. All right, so to let the liner dry, I'm just gonna go in with a coat of mascara on my top and bottom lashes like I usually do. Now, because this liner is making me feel sexy, I am gonna use our sexy lashes. These are silk, 5 magnets on each lash band. They are short and then they flare out and they are absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna put these babies on, lashes on. And to finish up this look, I'm just gonna add a little bit of glitter right here. And this is the completed look. I really hope that you guys loved it and can recreate it as well. Don't forget that you can get your colored liners at moxielash.com. Happy holidays, and I will see you until the next time. Mwah. Besitos.